As a follow-up to our very popular Dirty Dozen video, I am back with the Clean 15. These are the fruits and veggies that are tested and consistently rank the lowest for pesticide content. So in this video, I want to share them with you, going from number 15 all the way up to number 1. At number 15, we've got carrots, and obviously not the little bagged mini ones. I'm talking carrots that grow in the ground with the green tips. Coming in at number 14, we have, but we actually don't have, watermelon. And that's because when we went to the grocery store to buy all the props for this video, the watermelon, which is currently out of season, was $21.99. And while I love you, I don't want to pay that kind of money for a fruit. Coming in at number 13, we have the sweet potato. And obviously you are not going to eat the sweet potato without cleaning the skin, but once you do that, these are in pretty good shape. At number 12, we've got mangoes, and it doesn't matter what kind of mango, it's just the general mango. It's got a nice thick skin, just like me. And at number 11, we've got mushrooms. And this one surprised me because mushrooms are essentially naked and they grow in poop and dirt, but they're okay, so okay. At number 10, we have cabbage, and you can tell we didn't buy a cabbage. We just used one from a fridge, and let's be honest, it's seen better days. But I will say, if you zoom into the inside of a cabbage, it's quite artful, and you can have a trippy moment. At number 9, we have kiwi fruits, and I will say when these are ripe, they taste like candy. I just salivated there, but thankfully I'm not being zoomed in on right now because that would have been an embarrassing shot. At number 8, we've got Honeydew melon. And please let me know in the comments, everyone's having a moment here, what you think of Honeydew. I feel like it's a very divisive melon. Some people are all for it, other people, myself included. Really, it is the last fruit on the fruit tray. And in fact, if I make a fruit tray, we aren't even talking about honeydew. But I will say this, now that I know it's on the Clean 15, maybe I will reconsider my position on the humble melon. Coming in at number 7, we've got asparagus. And again, this one kind of surprised me because it doesn't have a skin, it just kind of grows and grows. But studies are studies, and this doesn't have a ton of pesticides in it. Following that at number 6, we've got sweet peas. Now, I have the frozen version, but we all know that flash frozen is just as good as fresh. Coming in at number 5, and I'm just gonna tidy this. This is just not going well for me, but coming in at number 5 is papaya. And I'd love to know in the comments what you think about papaya. I think it's delicious, but some people think it's hideous. Let me know what you think. And I think the reason why papaya ranks so well on this list, again, is because it does have that nice thick skin. Coming in at number 4, we have onions. And it doesn't matter what kind of onions, as long as they are bulbous and with skin, they're at number 4. Coming in at number 3 and making all swingers very happy is the pineapple. And it's got a nice thick skin. You snip off the top, you cut off the skin, and then you enjoy the flesh. At number 2, introduce me to a person that doesn't absolutely love corn. Of course, it's got a lot of cover on it, so when you peel that off, it's nice and clean and ready to go. And at number 1, to satisfy all of the millennials in the audience, we have the avocado. And I would tell you an avocado joke, but it's pitiful. While these are all part of the Clean 15, it is still advisable to wash all of your fruits and veg before you consume them. And if you want some washing techniques, you can check out our Dirty Dozen video. I'll link that for you down below. I'll also let you know that, well, you can buy these non-organic. Buying organic is actually a great way to support sustainable farming practices. And I have been buying a CSA basket, which is like a farm share basket, for about 11 years now. It's a little bit more expensive, but it's definitely something that I feel good about, and I get a nice variety of local fruits and veg that taste amazing. That brings me to this week's comment question, which is, let me have your love and hate of the Clean 15. I'm gonna say my hate is honeydew. I'm not touching honeydew, but my love, ooh, okay, if I had to pick a fruit, it would be a toss-up. Well, I guess that's really not me picking a fruit then, but it would be a toss-up between the mango and the pineapple, and technically if we're counting avocado as a fruit, I would say avocado. Really hard for me to pick, but I'd love to know what yours are in the comments down below, what you love and what you hate. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps us in the algorithm. You can also subscribe to the Clean My Space channel if you haven't done so already. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.